Okay, so I've loaded escarlata operating system on. Now, during my field tests previously, about a month ago, escarlata did not work. Or rather, the version of Arducopter did not work. Anyway, I'm giving it another try. The problem is that I've had to recalibrate the compass. Okay, that is now all done. However, the compass itself is giving the incorrect readings. And we'll do a demonstration now. Okay, now this should read roughly 180 degrees. Okay, this is right. This is actually correct. Now watch, I'm going to twist it 180 degrees, and this should give me a reading of approximately 0. And then you can watch what happens. Now in flight, if your heading is doing this, going from 222, 232, now it's going back down to 219, 209, and it's just doing this constantly, then this will be a disaster during flight. I'm not even going to bother attempting this. The compass does not work with this version of Arducopter on it. In fact, the compass is now settled at basically 200 degrees. Yeah, this is not 200 degrees, this is actually facing north. This should be roughly 0 degrees. Yeah, I've also tried messing around with the EKF settings and EKF2. I've disabled EKF. I've kept EK2 on. That didn't work. I've switched them around, and again that didn't work either. You know, I'm not going to bother flying it because this thing, the compass is so off. It's so wildly off that I just know that it's going to be a disaster. Watch how the figure should change almost immediately, but you'll see that it takes a long, long time, and it changes constantly. It's going up now, 160, 170. In flight, this would be a disaster. This would be a crash. The copter would basically start spinning in the air, in midair. Okay, so basically this is the version which comes on escarlata, which I'm not going to use because it's just no point. I just can't get it stable. So from now on I'm going to be using the older version of Arducopter, which is roughly 6 months old. That does work. It's old, but it does work. So the latest version of Arducopter, that doesn't work. The left and right, you can't move left and right. And the version of Arducopter on escarlata, the compass doesn't work. And I think a lot of people are having problems with their compasses when they use escarlata. I'm not the only one. I've seen a lot of threads on the forum regarding the compass. Okay, so that's the end of the test. I'll be now switching to the older version, and from now on all the tests are going to be done using the older version.